Hi guys, and welcome back to How to Maximize. For today's video, I'll show you how to publish Shopify Store. To start this tutorial, open and locate your internet browser in your PC, laptop, or Mac, and then go to myshopify.com and make sure you have logged in as well over at your account. Once you are already on the website, hover your mouse over to Sales Channels and then look for Online Store. Once you find Online Store, on the drop-down, click on Preferences. And then in here, wait for the website to finish loading once again. In here at Preferences, you can now change your homepage title. Make sure you put an input title that's easier to remember and is a lot more catchier. Go ahead, take your time, I'll be here waiting. Once you are done this time, you will now scroll down. And then in here, to let anyone access your online store, you will need to pick a plan. For now, leave the page. You know, when they say pick a plan, that means depending on your subscription to My Shopify. Again, you have to pick a plan to publish your store by clicking this link over here. And then all you have to do when you've already picked a plan is to save it by clicking on the save button on the upper right. It's color green, so it's not hard to miss. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.